Well, the Congress's veteran leader and somebody who has time and again spoken of his fondness for Pakistan, Manishankar Aiyar, has put his affection on display yet again. The man who has in the past called Pakistanis the biggest assets of India and cautioned India to respect it, has no qualms in, it looks like, parting with India's enemy. In fact, even as the terror perpetrator Pakistan continues to foster and push terror across borders and bleed India, Mr. Aiyar sees nothing wrong with breaking bread with the enemy. He was in fact seen attending an iftar party at the Pakistan High Commission in the national capital. And when we tried to ask him if he had anything to say on his defense, here is what he said.
You have arrived for iftar party in Pakistan High Commission, sir.
So one statement on this,
statement on this, sir. क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप?
So what do you have to say on this, sir? Mr. Aiyar, what do you have to say on this?
सर कुछ कहेंगे? इफ्तार पार्टी में शामिल होने पहुंचे हैं।
Aiyar, you have been advocating for Pakistan. What do you have to say on this?
You have arrived for iftar party in Pakistan High Commission, sir.
So one statement on this,
statement on this, sir. क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप?
So what do you have to say on this, sir? Mr. Aiyar, what do you have to say on this?
सर कुछ कहेंगे? इफ्तार पार्टी में शामिल होने पहुंचे हैं।
Aiyar, you have been advocating for Pakistan. What do you have to say on this?
In fact, this is not the first time that Manishankar Aiyar has been seen in attendance at the Pakistan High Commission. Last year as well, he was seen at the same venue. And the BJP is now calling it a part of the Congress's DNA to have a soft corner for terroristan.
कांग्रेस अब आईएनसी नहीं, पीपीपी बन चुकी है, पाकिस्तान परस्त पार्टी, और पाकिस्तान परस्ती का बार बार प्रमाण देती रहती है। मणिशंकर अय्यर जो कांग्रेस के सबसे निकट के हैं, प्रथम परिवार के निकट के हैं, वो इफ्तार पार्टी सेलिब्रेट करने हाई कमीशन जाते हैं, पर वो अकेले नहीं है। इनके एक और परिवार के निकट के व्यक्ति अंकल सैम तो पाकिस्तान को पुलवामा पर क्लीन चिट देते हैं। वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जिसने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक 370 पर पाकिस्तान के सुर से सुर मिलाया है। राहुल गांधी ने स्वयं मिला है। पाकिस्तान जो आतंकवाद की घटनाओं को अंजाम देता है, पाकिस्तान जो हमारे सैनिकों को मारता है, और आज जो पाकिस्तान आइसोलेट हो चुका है, उसके साथ कोई नहीं खड़ा, उसके साथ कांग्रेस पार्टी खड़ी है। कांग्रेस पार्टी मोदी विरोध में उतरते उतरते आज देश विरोध और देश के विरोध में जो भारत के विरोधी हैं, उनके साथ भी खड़े नजर आने में उसे कोई संकोच नहीं आता।
इससे यही स्पष्ट होता है कि भले मणिशंकर अय्यर हो या कांग्रेस का कोई भी नेता हो, इनके दिल में सिर्फ और सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के प्रति प्रेम है। इसीलिए इस बात से चिढ़ते थे जब सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक होती थी, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक होती थी, और जब भी पाकिस्तान कमजोर होता है, कांग्रेस के नेताओं के दिल के अंदर दर्द और बढ़ जाता है। कांग्रेस पार्टी का दिल सिर्फ और सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की भलाई में है, ना कि भारत की भलाई में।
Now, my colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, not the first time Manishankar Aiyar has not just attended iftar party at the Pakistan High Commission, but also spoken about having conversations with Pakistan and almost giving it a clean chit, saying we all want peace. Whereas the India stance is very, very clear. No talks until there is an end to terror.
Well, definitely. If we talk about the iftar party that was hosted by the Pakistan High Commission here in New Delhi yesterday, the invitations were sent to many. Even Government of India External Affairs Ministry got an invitation, and in such cases, in general, the protocol says that one representative from the government, the host government for that matter, is sent to attend that gathering. And we have seen that the iftar party of UAE, iftar party of Saudi Arabia, or iftar party of Qatar that has happened till now, in last 1 month, it was represented by an official, a secretary level official from Ministry of External Affairs. But yesterday, when the iftar party at Pakistan happened, India made it clear and sent a very clear message that there is not going to be any gala event between India and Pakistan. India is not going to attend any official or unofficial event with Pakistan till the terrorism is not reined in, and that's the reason that the government of India gave it a miss. Manishankar Aiyar, who has been surrounded by controversies regarding Pakistan in past as well, we have seen him making a statement when he was in Pakistan, where he said that it's only you who can save democracy. He has also made comments on Pulwama, the Balakot airstrike, the Uri attack, and the surgical strike that followed. and now he was in attendance at the Pakistan High Commission last evening as well. The politics around is quite vocal. BJP is accusing Congress of being pro-Pakistan, and likes of Sam Petroda or Manishankar Iyer being the advocates of Pakistan as well. As of now, Congress party has not officially reacted to it. We'll have to wait on that front, but BJP is aggressive on Manishankar Iyer.
Absolutely, and it was clear that Manishankar Iyer thought, what's wrong if I attend this iftar party? Because when reporters reached out to him and asked him what does he have to say about it, he refused to even comment. In fact, he drove away from there quite arrogantly. Let's in fact speak about how time and again he has been attending the iftar events. Let's take a look at, how it's not the very first time that we are seeing this version of Manishankar Iyer. His love for Pakistan is quite well known. Time and again he has hit the news for not just attending iftar parties, but also speaking about his adulation for a country that is a threat to India's national security. In fact, it has cost us countless lives. And in February last year, so let's talk about what he has said time and again. In February last year, he said, Pakistanis are the biggest asset of India. Believe it or not, Manishankar Iyer had actually said this about Pakistan and about Pakistanis. So he seems to have a lot of audacious advice for the Indian dispensation as well to respect Pakistan. In 2024, he had said, respect Pakistan, it has an atom bomb. That's the statement that was made by Manishankar Iyer, senior leader of the Congress party, known to be close to the Gandhi family. These are the statements that he has made. Previously, he has also been attending iftar parties, and he thinks, what's wrong? There's nothing wrong if I'm attending an iftar party at the Pakistan High Commission. Now, the issue is that India has made its stance very, very clear. Quite recently as well, the Prime Minister spoke about it, the External Affairs Minister spoke about it, saying India will not indulge in talks with Pakistan unless there is an end to terror. Clearly, that's not happening, but that has not stopped Manishankar Iyer from expressing his love and adulation for Pakistan. Not the first time we mentioned, listen in to what he has said previously.
ये कि वो भी एक सॉवरेन मुल्क है और कि उनकी भी इज्जत है, और उस इज्जत को कायम रखते हुए आप उनसे जितनी कड़ी बात करना चाहते हो करो, लेकिन बात तो करो। बंदूक को लेकर आप घूम रहे हो, उनकी एटम बॉम्ब है, ये भी है। लेकिन यदि आपने उनसे बात की, उनको इज्जत अफजाया, तो तभी जाकर वो अपने बम के बारे में नहीं सोचेंगे। मस्कुलर पॉलिसी, यदि आपके मसल्स हों और उनके मसल्स ना हों, मैंने अभी आपको बता दिया है, वो जो हकीकत हम सबको पता है कि मसल्स उनके कहूटा में पड़े हुए हैं।
So, Rishabh, previously as well, Manishankar Iyer has spoken with a lot of adulation for Pakistan, and he is not just any other leader in the Congress party. He is known to be quite close to the Gandhi family, and considering that he has also praised Pakistan previously, there's clearly no reading in that has come in from the Congress party, which is why the BJP as well says time and again that this is not just about one individual. This seems to be the official stand of the Congress party.
Well, definitely, a strict action needs to be taken by Congress party on likes of Manishankar Iyer. The motor-mouths have been denting Congress party more politically than BJP for that matter. No one has forgotten the statement made by Manishankar Iyer ahead of the 2014 elections on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we saw how the 2014 elections turned out. 2017 also, during the Gujarat elections, he made similar comments on Pakistan as well. We heard few of them just now. There have been a number of statements that he has made at seminars, or for that matter at various public events, that has put Congress on the wrong wicket, and Congress party time and again has been shying away from commenting on Manishankar Iyer. They have been distancing themselves from Manishankar Iyer, but definitely the message has not been sent very categorically, is what we can see here as well, given that Manishankar Iyer continues to do what he was doing, continue to politically dent Congress party at various occasions here as well.
Okay, all right, Rishabh, thank you for joining us. So let's tell you why it's controversial that Manishankar Iyer is breaking bread with Pakistan. He has made these statements time and again, and India's stance is very, very clear. No talks until there's an end to terror. In fact, This development of this iftar party that took place at the Pakistan High Commission comes just days after the Prime Minister himself had condemned Pakistan for its terror antecedents.
एक तो कुछ इतिहास की जो बातें हैं जिसको शायद दुनिया के बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है। 1947 से पहले आजादी की लड़ाई सब लोग कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर के लड़ रहे थे।